Hi, this is Carrie at CouponCloset.net, and today we are doing Lesson 5 for our CVS Crash Course. Basically today I just wanted to give you a few examples so that way you actually can see how CVS is fabulous. So let's first talk about how we're going to get items for free. So here is an example of the Oral-B Action toothbrushes were on sale for $6. So these are on sale for $6. But then if you buy one, you're going to get $3 in extra care bucks. But I actually had a coupon that was in the paper for $3 off. So the toothbrush cost $6, but I gave them a $3 off coupon. So I'm going to pay $3 out of pocket, but I'm going to get $3 extra care bucks that's going to print at the end of my receipt. So my final cost is free. I will have to pay tax, but basically I'm getting this for free because my out-of-pocket is the same, then I'm going to get extra care bucks. Now if you remember from my previous lessons, when my total is $3, I'm going to dig through my extra care bucks and see if I can get that out-of-pocket even lower, so that way I don't have to pay as much out-of-pocket. Now if you look at the picture on the very bottom, it says extra bucks offer limit of 2 per household. Now that means that I can do this 2 times and get 2 toothbrushes for free this week. So there is one example on how we're going to get items for free. Now let's talk about how we make money at CVS. So here's an example of the Crest Pro Health. The toothpaste and the mouth rinse were on sale. If you look, it says you pay with your card $3.29, but you're going to get $3.29 back. So clearly you already know you're going to get it for free. But we could actually make money if we have a coupon. Okay, so the mouth rinse was on sale. The mouth rinse and the toothpaste, remember, are on sale for $3.29. But I had a $1 off a manufacturer coupon. So I'm only going to pay $2.29 out of pocket. But what do I get back? $3.29 extra care buck is going to print after my receipt. So my final cost is a $1 money maker. That's what the MM stands for. So that means that I actually made $1 by doing this. Now if you look on that picture at the very bottom, it's going to say the limit is 2, so I could actually do this 2 times. And if I had 2 coupons, then I would make $2 that week. Okay, I wanted to give you one more example. I hope this is making sense to everybody. But I want to give you one more example on one of my favorite shopping trips. It's been quite a while since I did this, but how I got laundry detergent for free. So here is my 5 Whisk laundry detergent, and I got them all for free at CVS. The CVS deal was if you spent $25 on participating products, you will earn $10 in extra care bucks. Well, the Whisk was actually on sale for $5 each. So if you do the math, you have 5 bottles and it's $5 each, your total is $25. Well, remember, if you spend $25, you're going to get $10 in extra care bucks. So now I've hit my limit at $25. But I had one of those fabulous coupons that came in my email, and it was $5 off $25 purchase or more. So that's going to subtract $5 off my total. I also had 5 $2 off manufacturer coupons. Now it's unlikely for me to have 5 of those coupons, but that week had a ton of inserts, and so I went out and bought a couple extra papers, and so I just happened to have extra coupons that week. And so now that we have 5 of the $2 off coupons, you're going to subtract $10. So I'm going to pay $10 out of pocket, but remember, because I spent $25, I'm going to actually get $10 in extra care bucks. So my final cost is free. But remember what I said, I don't want to pay $10 out of pocket. I actually had $9.99 in extra care bucks that I put towards my purchase, so I only paid 1 penny out of pocket. And then I got $10 in extra care bucks back. Now I did pay tax on this, but I just wanted to give you an example on how you can really work the system at CVS. I didn't break any rules here or did anything naughty or anything. I just simply did the CVS rules, and You just follow their coupon policy and you can really get some really awesome deals at CVS. And this is just one example that I wanted to show you that you could get. Okay, let's talk about a few more things that we have already talked about throughout the lessons, but I basically just wanted to cover them. I thought maybe putting it in words so that you could actually see it might make it a little easier for you. But so I want you, if you don't have a pen and paper with you, I want you to go get one, push pause, and then come back. Okay, so if you have a pen and paper, I want you to take some notes on a few things because this is really important with CVS. The order that you use your coupons is crucial. Remember, the very first thing you want to give is your CVS coupons that are like a $5 off $25 purchase, maybe a $3 off $15 purchase. Those need to be handed first. Then you're going to hand over your manufacturer coupons. If you have any CVS coupons, you're going to hand those after your manufacturer coupons. Then ask for the subtotal. So you give them all your coupons, and then you say, okay, what's your subtotal? Then you give your extra care bucks that you have in your CVS envelope to get you as close to zero as possible. So the goal is you should only pay tax and receive more extra care bucks. You should not be spending more than just a few dollars at each trip. Now remember, you're going to pay maybe $1 or $2 that was from your subtotal, but your primary goal is to get as close to zero as you can, because remember, we don't want to pay out of pocket if we don't have to. Okay, let's do some math. I love my math, and so we're going to do some math. Basically, we're going to talk about an equation to figure out, I mean, it's not a hard equation, but it's to figure out if you're going to get a good deal or not. So I want you to write this down also. Get your total of the price of items. So basically, if you're going to go to CVS and you want to buy some stuff, you're going to get all those prices that's on sale that you're going to purchase, and you want to add those up. Then you're going to subtract any coupons that you're going to use. That means any manufacturer coupons, CVS coupons, any coupons that you're going to use, you're going to subtract it. Then I want you to subtract the extra care bucks that is earned. So not the extra care bucks that you're going to use, the extra care bucks that is going to print at the end of your receipt. That's very important. That is going to give you your final cost. So let's use an example. Let's say shampoo is on sale for $6 and I have a $1 off coupon and I am going to get a $1 extra care buck printed at the end of my receipt. So let's do the math. It's costing me $6, but I have a -1 for the coupon and -1 for the extra care buck that I'm going to get. That means my final cost is $4. So then you sit back and say, okay, is this a good deal to me? Well, to Carrie, to me, $4 is not a good deal. So I'm going to pass on that scenario. So that way I'm going to figure out if it's a good deal. Remember, now let's say I decide that $4 is a good deal. Maybe it's the coolest shampoo ever and I want to spend $4 on it. Then I'm going to use my extra care bucks to make my out-of-pocket expenses to go lower. So the extra care bucks that you spend do not tell you whether or not you got a good deal. It's the extra care bucks that you get is going to tell you what's a good deal. So I just kind of wanted to drill that in your head so that way you understand that when you go to CVS so you can find out if you've gotten a good deal or not. Okay, we're at one last thing and then we are done with the CVS crash course. I just want to remind you of the goals at CVS. We're going to roll our extra care bucks from week to week to week. We may skip a week if it's not any good, but pretty much we're going to roll our extra care bucks. You want to buy items that will earn more extra care bucks. So your tendency, you're always going to look at what the extra care bucks deals are. Occasionally, there's going to be items that are not going to earn you extra care bucks, but it might be a really good deal to you, and so you're still going to get those. But in general, our primary focus is what is going to get us more extra care bucks. We're going to buy the items that are free or close to free. Remember, what I think is a good deal and what you think is a good deal might not be the same. But in general, my goal is to only buy the items that are free or close to free. And I think I've said this 100 times, but hopefully you got it, that our goal is to pay almost nothing out of pocket, just our tax. Our subtotal might be $2 or $3 after we've handed over our extra care bucks, but pretty much our goal is to pay nothing out of tax. So that is the end for the CVS crash course. Next week I'm going to do one more post, or one more video on just frequently asked questions. So if you have a question that you want answered, make sure you email me and let me know or post it on Facebook so that way I know and I can get it addressed at the next video.